Spring is in the air, and whether you're hosting Easter brunch or just want to refresh your dining table for the season, a beautiful tablescape can make every meal feel special. Today, I'm sharing fresh, simple, and elegant table styling ideas for different styles. So no matter your aesthetic, you'll find inspiration to make your table feel warm and welcoming. So, get your cup of tea, get cozy, and let's look at some beautiful ways to style your table this season. Let's start with this quote from Laurie Colwin. "The table is a meeting place, a gathering ground, the source of sustenance and nourishment, festivity, safety, and satisfaction. A person cooking is a person giving, even the simplest food is a gift." If you love soft pastels, pretty florals, and that traditional Easter charm, this style might be perfect for you. Think blush pinks, baby blues, and soft yellows. A white or floral tablecloth creates a lovely backdrop. Add a simple bouquet of tulips or roses, maybe in a clear glass vase. I also like to bring in a little shimmer, gold-rimmed dishes, pearl napkin rings, or delicate glassware. Candles add a touch of elegance, especially in the evening. Tall taper candles and simple holders add height and softness, without taking over the whole table. Using a soft, neutral foundation lets your decorative touches really shine through. If your style leans cozy and casual, you might love this rustic and farmhouse spring tablescape. Start with natural textures, like a burlap runner or woven placemats. Wood tones add warmth, so consider wooden chargers or candlesticks. I like to use white stoneware dishes because they feel timeless and work beautifully with a rustic and relaxed setting. For a centerpiece, you could use a mason jar or vintage pitcher filled with wildflowers or greenery from your yard. Add a sweet little detail by tying your napkins with twine and tuck in a sprig of rosemary or lavender. It smells wonderful and looks so pretty. Mixing textures like wood, linen, and stoneware creates that warm, inviting farmhouse look. If you prefer a cleaner, more understated look, a minimalist and modern one is simple and fresh. Stick to a neutral color palette, think white, cream, beige, or soft gray. Use simple plates, and maybe a matte finish if you have it. A single sculptural vase with greenery or one variety of flower can make a big impact. Skip the clutter, and let just a few carefully chosen pieces speak for themselves. And remember, minimal doesn't mean cold, it just means intentional. Even with a minimalist table, layering subtle textures, like matte dishes, linen napkins, or smooth ceramic, can add interest without adding clutter. This is such a fun option, especially if you're celebrating with children or just love a little Easter whimsy. Use cheerful pastel colors, lavender, mint, yellow. Mix and match if you want. Add bunny-shaped accents or a few painted eggs. One of my favorite little details is folding napkins into bunny ears or using patterned napkins for a pop of personality. Name cards in mini flower pots, or little Easter egg holders, add a sweet touch and can double as party favors. Whimsy comes through in the little touches, so go ahead and add something fun or sweet that brings out the kid in everyone. Now, if you'd rather not do anything holiday specific, this is a great way to embrace spring in a subtle, timeless way. Start with a fresh, light table runner or some soft patterned linens. Stripes or florals work nicely. Use neutral plates, and add color with your napkins or drinking glasses. Potted herbs or a low garland of greenery down the center is simple and long-lasting. It's fresh without being fussy. This is the kind of look that can stay out all season, and still feel just right, even beyond Easter. For this versatile style, don't worry about everything matching perfectly. A mix of soft-toned napkins, or slightly different herb pots, adds charm and keeps the table feeling relaxed and natural. Having a beautiful seasonal tablescape doesn't mean that you need to go out and buy all new things. I always say, shop your own home first. Tea towels can be beautiful napkins. A few grocery store flowers in recycled jars can make a lovely centerpiece. Mix and match your dishes if you don't have a full set. That kind of imperfection actually adds charm. Use what you love. If it makes you smile, it belongs on your table. Layer a scarf or pretty fabric remnant as your runner. Something with color or texture you already love from your home can add a unique, budget-friendly layer to your table. Here are a few more ideas to inspire your spring tablescape. Whether you lean classic or modern, whimsical or understated, I hope you found something that inspires you. I'd love to hear which one speaks to your style. Let me know in the comments, and if you like these kinds of ideas, be sure to subscribe so we can keep decorating together, season by season. Thanks so much for spending a little time with me today. I'll see you in the next video.